Hi guys.
Hi everyone.
Hey guys, it's Kim.
Hi guys.
What's up?
Hi everybody.
Hello.
Hi.
Buenos dias.
Salut, c'est Jeanne Damas.
Hi. Shh. Hi.
Let's go, meninas.
I am about to show you guys how I beat my face.
You gotta moisturize. I use just like Cetaphil moisturizing lotion. And I know I'm not supposed to like do this. My boyfriend gets mad at me, but whatever.
If you wear makeup over dry skin, it doesn't last as long, kind of.
Get it all over your face and your neck.
What I like to start with is a face mask. I don't like to put it on this way because it's not a good look, and I like to look good. So what I do is like I actually like to fold my masks. And plus, like, I know people say it absorbs into the skin, but I feel like this way you could like really get into all those little corners.
So we are taking a little bit of avocado. Acai. It's pure, unsweetened acai. So we squish some strawberries. Go in there. Kind of like this. And then last ingredient is honey. This is what it looks like. I mean, as a mom, I guess, I just like to be hands-on. Get to see my gorgeous belly mask. Oh! And it's got a little cute little wink. I don't know if you can see it. It's supposed to help with stretch marks, which is always great.
Don't be afraid to like take that extra 5 minutes to just sit there, let all the oils absorb, massage.
I don't know what it's called, but I bought this on Amazon and it literally is the best thing ever.
So you just kind of like roll, and voila! Look at those cheekbones! Right, people? Can you stand it?
Start with foundation. So I like to get messy with it. Let's do this.
Eu já demorei 3 horas pra me montar. Você quer ficar bonita? Ou você quer chegar na hora?
Just a little. Hey, good morning. I'm using a beauty blender, which is like my favorite thing for foundation because it just makes the skin look the most natural.
I just use my fingers because as much as I love a brush, I think that using your fingers just makes it blend more seamlessly.
Concealer. This I actually like to warm up on my hand first. Just like that. And then like one little swipe. Everybody knows concealer's made for hiding bags and dark circles and hangovers and bad decisions. All right here, the cure.
I like to really warm up my face, and I think a big step in that is concealing.
My hands are slippery. Don't do that, it's bad for your teeth. Basically, I'll just put it like a little under my eyes. I was always told to tap your concealer, don't rub it.
Then I just kind of blend that out with my fingers. Don't know if I'm supposed to do that, but I do it anyway. I think you're also supposed to like tap, but that hurts. So why would you do that?
I'm using 2 different colors because one is a little peachier and one's a little more on the yellow side, so I mix them and then I just blend away. This I do to like wake up like the under eye. It's like, it's good. It's a stimulatory thing.
So I kind of, you know, mix into everything here. This is great for the guns.
Oh, and sometimes I like to do it here. The crease of my wrinkle, take it away.
Eyebrows are cousins. Or what is it? Sisters, not twins. Sorry.
Mine are not even in the same family. Like, they're not even talking. It's a family feud. Like, one is shorter than the other. The arch is different. Like, what is going on? Can you guys just have a conversation?
One of my little tricks, I'm sure I'm not the only one that does this, is I like to use hairspray to keep my eyebrows in place.
I have a little scar here, as you can see, and I always fill that bad boy up. I tend to mix 2 colors. I like filling in my eyebrows, not the color they are, but a little bit lighter. So it just looks full, but not like super done.
I don't wax my eyebrows anymore. I used to when I was like 13 years old. Don't do it, kids.
I'm really, really picky about my eyebrows. I usually just brush them and kind of call it a day because I don't like for my eyebrows to look too done.
I don't feel like a normal person unless my eyebrows are brushed up. To me, there's nothing sadder than an eyebrow when it's smushed down.
My next step is gonna be a little bit of contour. Mocha here, to contour right here. Very important to contour your face for your face, not the way you see on every YouTube tutorial, because everybody has a different shape. I have a huge forehead, so I like to go in a little deeper down here, hide that, you know what I'm saying?
E agora pra fazer o meu contorno, eu vou usar esse bronzer aqui. Tá vendo, gente? Tá tão velhinho, coitado, mas eu amo tanto.
Like, it looks bad now, but if I blend it out, it should look fine. I like to create like a little button nose. Do a little circle at the point, at the, I don't know, whatever that's called.
And everyone does it differently. I just like to put it right under my cheekbone and like keep this part light because I feel like they really pop out. And then I like to put a little under here because like when you do a lot of talking, like I'm doing right now, you kind of like, you won't get a double chin.
My makeup routine definitely did not change since becoming a mum. It's always been quick and easy, and then one of my favorite tips I picked up from a makeup artist is to pop a little bit into the socket. It gives you a really natural contour.
Doing it here defines your jawline, and then it also like blends your foundation makeup line that we all sometimes get. I hate it when that thing shows.
You know how people ask you, which is your best side? I can work any side. Watch. Bam! There go!
After I contour, I'm going to bake this. It's important you do this after your bronzer because I feel like that's what is, I don't know. I really don't know. But it's important you do it after your bronzer.
Every time I do my makeup, I bake. I love how baking looks. I swear I could just go out like that.
Next is going to be a little bit of eyelid drama. Beach, please. Beach, please. Get it? Yeah. I'm gonna start with the pink on the lids because it says summer, sunset, love, drama, bitches.
This, right? It's literally my lipstick. I'm gonna take a little bit of that, right? And then the other thing I love about using lipstick as eyeshadow, first of all, you get your money's worth, girl. You get your lips, your eyeshadow, your contour.
Ensuite, je vais ajouter juste ce petit doré, juste à l'intérieur de l'œil. C'est ma priorité en fait, que le maquillage se photographie bien.
Good. It's gonna do kind of like a simple eye today because I have some meetings. I'm not trying to be too crazy. I test out most of my stuff on Jordan because we live together, so I'm like, Jordan, I need you. Everyone that comes in my house has like red tinted arms from like swatches and like shadows.
Just take it with your finger and press it on the lid. It actually makes it sparkle more. Yeah, you just go ape shit. That's like a really good word for putting makeup on.
The best thing about using your fingers is that you have different shapes. Say you spread it too much up here, you could take your pinky and you just remove it.
And then I'm gonna take a makeup wipe and just wipe the excess. That's why I do my foundation after eyeshadow. Eyeshadow falls down and then your face isn't cute anymore.
Blush is also something that depends on your mood. You know, sometimes you're trying to give a little natural vibe, you give a little bronze, like a little hint. And then sometimes you just want to go ape, like right now. Like, I want to give you guys a vibe.
I think when you're doing a sun-kissed, glowy type of thing, when you bring it across your nose, it kind of makes it actually look like you got caught in the sun. Because, you know, when you get that tan, that's like that tan. You know what I mean? No? Okay.
I put a little like on my forehead too, and like my chin, and I guess my nose. I just love blush, and I just put it like all over my face. Okay, I'm done with this for now. and just wipe this off.
Gente, eu fico me perguntando como que a gente saía opaca na rua. Sabe? A gente fazia aquelas makes nudes com o rosto opaco. Não. Obrigado às Jenners por lançar essas tendências aí.
I like to use a small brush when I highlight because I just like it to be like precise. A little on the tip.
Ensuite, mon meilleur ami, le recours de cils.
I curl my eyelashes every single day. I get scared doing this because I've clipped myself a couple of times already.
My mom taught me how to do this with a spoon. Whenever you don't have one of these like the curlers, you can just run to your kitchen, warm it up either with my hands, just curl my lashes. But now that we have these more handy, we don't have to resort to such extremes.
I always imagine that it's like a meme of a girl who is curling her lashes and then you see the eyelash curler with all of her lashes in it because they had come out and she's like this.
And now my favorite part, mascara.
I find it almost impossible to put mascara on without like opening your mouth. Is that weird?
I was in middle school and I was in the mirror and I was like going like that and then I was like, why is my mouth open? Just relax. It's gonna be all right.
You really want to get in that lash line. See, it's gonna make a mess, but it's fine. We're gonna have Q-tips. That's what Q-tips are for. Some serum on your Q-tip as such. Gorge, right? And you can see it like almost looks like I really delicately put a liner on these eyes, but it's just because I like really put the mascara in my lash line.
Petit instrument de torture que j'utilise pour séparer les cils, éviter les paquets.
Olha esse cílio. Gente, esse cílio é feito de mink, tá? É bom.
It's actually like against the rules in the lash world to mascara your lashes, but I don't care.
It's taken me years and years of practice to be able to perfect the art of my cat eye, and I still suck at it. But I'm gonna attempt it anyway.
I'm gonna fly away with my swoops. The left is a little harder because sometimes your eyes are shaped slightly different, but we use a Q-tip to clean it up. So don't worry, calm down.
Oh, another secret. This is a weird one. Because you blink a lot, when you put liner inside of your waterline, it tends to it doesn't last as long. The trick is you put it on top of your waterline of your top eye.
I'm gonna draw 3 dots. This is the beginning. The next dot I'm gonna do here. And the third dot here. And then I'm gonna connect all the dots together.
Je vais prendre un petit peu de café. Je mange en même temps mon petit déj, mais toujours avant le rouge à lèvres par contre.
I never put lipstick on like that. So I usually just kind of tap it on.
NARS. What color is this? Do Me Baby. Nice. Instead of doing a liner, you can kind of paint it on the bow of your lips to look a little bit more pouty.
If you want a little bit of a lighter edge, not so harsh, you can just press it in with your fingertip.
Next, I want to do lips. This looks fresh, like it's in the vein of what I'm trying to do. It looks pink right here. You see a little bit of gold? Look how much it really shows up. Oh! Guys, I mean, you guys.
And throw that just haphazardly on the lips before that dries. I'm just going to pat that around.
This is my favorite product ever. I feel like it just sets the makeup and it makes you, it gives you a glow. Like that.
This Tarte one, it smells good-ish. It has like definitely a scent. Smell review by Troye Sivan. It's like a little bit like sour almost. I don't know, but it works.
bit too much face mist.
So you kind of drench it and you get a little scared at first because you're like, did I ruin my makeup? But then once it dries, it looks way better.
If you're filling up to it, you can take a selfie. So let's do one. This light's pretty good.
Okay, well that's it. There you have it.
And here you have it. Your Black Barbie supermodel with curves. Finishing look.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. We'll see you soon.
Quem gostou bate palma, quem não gostou, paciência. Eu não tô aqui pra agradar todo mundo, né? Tô aqui pra fazer o meu papel.
Oui, maintenant je suis prête à aller danser.
Where are we going tonight? We're going to the club. Adiós. Nos vemos. Hasta la próxima.
Bye, guys.
I really surprised myself. I'm not a makeup artist, I never claimed to be. But after today, I might change that title.